accurate figures must come out because it's also liability on our part. But we are going to pay. The same citizens who are saying we want to reduce the cost of living are the same ones who are going to pay. The government of Kenya is going to pay using taxpayer money for what has happened yesterday. And unfortunately, of course, that estimate which I gave you includes the period of lack of operation, among others. Yeah.
Waziri, on the payment, you say taxpayers will pay, at the same time those who organized will pay. So can we be clear?
You see, by the agreements, the taxpayers who will pay. But now, by the agreement. So the taxpayer first will remove his money, pay the investor. But I have said, from a ministry perspective, we will not allow that money to go like that. We will then ask those who performed this act yesterday to indemnify the taxpayer by making sure that even though we pay because we have an obligation, we will go for their pockets to make sure that they indemnify the taxpayer and the government of Kenya for what they are paid.
Because they did notify the police. Do we know them? Do we know who organized? They did notify them.
You know that the investigation is going on. The good leads have already been achieved. A number of people have been arrested. I told you around 50 of them have been arrested. They are giving good information to the government of Kenya. And you can follow the channel. To the top, you know there are people in this country who, by virtue of respect and political history, and because of their age, when you respect them that you cannot hold them account on this and that, they feel that they are above the law. Let them push their luck, and they have pushed it too far, and you will be seeing what will happen.
What are some of the measures that you've taken as a government to ensure that such incidences do not recur in the future?
Okay. Okay, that's any other person? You know, insurance covers certain things and doesn't cover certain things. Yeah. So that is the reason why I don't want to delve into all that conversation, because I don't want also to jeopardize the arguments we are going to make as a ministry to mitigate the amount of money that the people of Kenya will pay for the time being. So let me not, it is not a gospel truth that the figure I said is this much or what will happen. So let's leave it to that, because there's already a joint team that works together under the agreement between Kenya and Moja Express that will determine calculation with an expert involved and will give us exact figure. And in another 1 or 2 weeks, you will know the exact figure, because it will be paid open, and I will announce to the country that here is the check it has gone to pay for the acts that happened.
Good
news is that no staff were injured. For the interceding period when they were approaching, we want to congratulate Moja Express, because they quickly evacuated their staff to the safe side of town. So no staff was injured up to now. No reported staff. No staff was reported to have been injured in the process.